If it's your job to submit contribution data to Zurich, we've just made it a whole lot easier. This short video shows you how to use our group payroll management system so you can send data direct from your PC to the Zurich system. It's fast, secure, and an easy way to get the job done. On our website, zurichlife.ie, go to the Secure Login button, which you'll find just here. Key in your user ID, PIN, and password. We will provide you with these details. Keep these safe because you'll need them each time you use the system. There are two ways to send your contributions data to Zurich. You can prepare your data in a CSV or text file based on an agreed template and submit it. Or you can edit your data on screen and submit it. We will show you both options in this video. Let's get started. Once signed in, select Manage Payroll, which takes you to the Group Payroll Management screen. Here you'll see the dates that relate to your contribution data submissions. Please note that this is Zurich's due date, so it may not be the same as your salary deduction month. We will clarify these details with you. This column shows the status of your submissions: already sent to Zurich, next in line, and other months pending. For on-screen data submission only, here you'll see the data which you were working on and have saved, but haven't submitted just yet. In this column are the actions you can take. Submit contributions data for the month. View what you've already submitted, either on-screen or download a PDF. For on-screen submission only, here's what you've saved but haven't submitted. You can click to check, edit as necessary, and submit the contributions data for the month. It's like a filing system, with the complete history of your contribution data submitted via the system. Now let's run through how you submit new contribution data. Just click on Create here. Option 1. Submission via file upload. This is where you upload your pension contributions data file. You will have prepared this on your own system, using the template agreed with Zurich at the outset. This can be a CSV or text file. Because we work closely with employers, the template you use is tailored to be the best fit with the layout of your data files. Using your agreed template means that the system knows where in the file the required data is. It will point out what's wrong and ask you to fix it in your source file. So it is only possible to upload a validated file. Click on Choose File to locate the file with the required contribution data to be uploaded. Click on the Select and Validate button. If the file successfully passes validation, the contribution data is displayed on screen. If the file does not pass validation, the policy or policies which failed appear on screen. To see why it failed validation, click on the member details. You won't be able to submit data until any validation issues are fixed. Any required changes need to be made to the source file, and then the file needs to be uploaded and validated again. When you're happy with everything, just click Submit, and you'll be asked to confirm or cancel. Cancel means the contribution data will not be submitted and you will be brought back to the previous screen. Confirm and you will see this message: Job done. When the file is successfully submitted, back on the Group Payroll Management screen, Create has changed to View. Here you can see the details of your submission and download a PDF if required. Here are some tips on preparing your file to minimize errors. First, the system will need to know what rows of data require to be uploaded. If you're using a CSV file, you'll need to insert a new column at the start of the data and insert 1, 2, 3 beside each row of data as relevant. Insert 1 beside all rows that have header information. Insert 2 beside all rows that have employee details to be uploaded. Insert 3 where the data ends and doesn't include employee data. For text files, simply add 1, 2, or 3 as appropriate before each row. Second, Where a zero or number of zeros appear before a number, for example, policy or staff number, then the leading zero or zeros need to be shown on the file for upload. Finally, regardless of what file type you are using, always remember to use the decimal point. Please note that the system only reads to 2 decimal places. For example, use 12.34, not 12.345. Option 2. Submission via screen. When you click Create on the Group Payroll Management screen, you'll see all members with active policies in surname order, with policy number, billing date, employee, employer and AVC premiums as appropriate and the total contribution amounts. You can go through your employees one by one, amending any details by overtyping. For example, make changes here if they have increased or reduced their contributions. The policy and overall totals are automatically calculated for you. The search function is a fast way to find members and contribution amounts. For example, simply type in an amount or a name and the details found will be displayed on screen. You can put a comment for Zurich using the speech bubble button. For example, this member has left service and give the date. Click on the tick to confirm the comment and the speech bubble will change color to show that it's been included. Select the X button to delete members from the list and use Undo Removes to restore any members deleted in error. If you do this, you'll need to repopulate the premium fields. Clicking on this button allows you to add details for a new member. You need to insert their member reference number, name, and contribution details here. Need to take a break or go to a meeting? Here's a tip. Press the Save button before you close or your changes will be lost. Log back in later and click the Edit button to finish your task. When you're happy with everything, there's no need to save. Just click Submit and you'll be asked to confirm or cancel. Cancel means the contribution data will not be submitted and you will be brought back to the previous screen. Confirm and you will see this message. Job done. Back on the Group Payroll Management screen, Create has changed to View, where you can see the details of your submission and download a PDF if required. So let's recap. You log in, choose Manage Payroll, select your action, upload your file or amend the individual's details on screen, then submit your data direct to the Zurich system. At Zurich, it's our job to make yours easier. Our system lets you transfer data straight from your PC to Zurich. It's fast, secure, streamlined, and easy to use. That's better. Job done.